Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to display your name or contact information on the lock screen of your Android device. This is a simple trick that can help someone return your phone if it ever gets lost, and it only takes a few steps to set up. First, swipe down on your home screen to access the notification shade. Then, tap the gear icon to open Settings. On a Google Pixel device, go to Display, but on Samsung Galaxy phones or other Android models, you can usually skip this step and go straight to Lock Screen. Once you're in the lock screen settings, look for Contact Information or Add Text on lock screen. Tap on it and a text box will appear. Here, you can enter your name, email address, Twitter handle, or any other contact method that someone could use to reach you. If you decide to put a phone number, make sure it's not the number of the lost phone. After typing in your information, tap Save or Done to apply it. Now, whenever your phone is locked, your contact info will be displayed on the lock screen. This simple feature can increase your chances of getting your phone back if it's ever lost. It doesn't guarantee recovery, but it can make a big difference in helping someone return your device safely. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Android tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.